Welcome to the YouTube channel of Shet Vidya Mandir English High School. Children, we will be studying new chapter today, that is your chapter number 11, Light, Shadows and Reflections. And this is the first part of the chapter. Children, in this first part of the chapter, we will be studying about the luminous objects, non-luminous objects, transparent objects, translucent objects and opaque objects. Children, now recall one situation in front of you all. What happens when you are watching television in your room and the electricity goes off? You are unable to see anything around because everything becomes dark. You ask for a torch or a candle. On lighting a torch or a candle, you can see objects in the room. Now, what we understand by this situation? Now, there is something that is we called as the light, with the help of which we can see objects around us. Thus, we conclude that light is a form of energy that helps us to see objects. Now, to view anything, we need a source of light, such as the sunlight, bulb, tube light, burning candle or torch. Sun and stars are said to be the natural sources of light because they emit light of their own. Now, such objects which emit light of their own are said to be the luminous objects. Now, the bulb, tube light, torch and candle also emit light, but they are said to be the man-made sources of light or the artificial sources of light. Now, the objects like chair, table, books, etc. cannot be seen in the dark. But these objects can be seen in the presence of the source of light. Such objects that do not have their own light but are visible when the light falls on them are said to be the non-luminous objects. Moon is said to be the non-luminous objects. Transparent, translucent and opaque objects. Based on the passing of light through the objects are classified into the following three groups: transparent objects, translucent objects and opaque objects. Transparent objects. The objects which allow light to pass through them easily are said to be the transparent objects. For example, glass, water, air, etc. Translucent objects. The objects which allow light to pass through them partially are said to be the translucent objects. For example, butter paper, oily paper, etc. Opaque objects. The objects which do not allow the light to pass through them at all are said to be the opaque objects. For example, walls, book, wood,